Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another part of my DIY face mask series. Today's video, I want to show you a mask that I've been loving for the past couple of months. It's a face mask that I found on Instagram, so I have all of the ingredients and the measurements that you're going to need. So what this is for anyone who suffers from those tiny little bumps that you get on your forehead or on your cheek area. It's the bumps that aren't pimples. There's nothing in it. It's just little tiny annoying bumps that you just can't get rid of. No amount of zit cream is going to work. I know that there's a dandruff shampoo that people use as a face mask, but if you're like me, I like knowing what's going on, what I'm putting onto my skin. So that's why I always like doing face masks. So at least that way I know all of the ingredients that I'm putting onto my skin and I know all the benefits that are going into that. So let me tell you what the ingredients are. So the first product is honey, and this is a really good antioxidant and it's great for acne and preventing acne, and it's also a really good moisturizer for your skin as well. Plus it gives you a really nice glow. So I already have that in here. And the next is going to be 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So turmeric is really good for acne and preventing scarring. And it also helps with give your skin a little bit of a glow as well. Okay, so the next one is going to be rice flour, and you're going to use, it says half a tablespoon of rice flour. So that's with the rice flour, and rice flour is actually supposed to help soothe your skin and make it smoother. So I think that's one of the main ingredients for helping those little bumps get reduced. And the last is going to be apple cider vinegar. You guys know I love this. I also love turmeric and honey and all that stuff, but I prefer using well, you're supposed to use the one with the mother. So it'll say right here. Okay. And with that, you're going to use 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I usually just add the apple cider vinegar as I need it. And anytime you're using anything with apple cider vinegar, I always like using a plastic bowl. So I'm just going to eyeball this. So it should look like that. And I'm just going to mix it up. Okay, so this is what the mixture should look like. You do have to be careful when you're putting this face mask on because it will stain your clothes and it will stain your skin. Even after you wash your face, you will have a tint of yellow going on. So just be really careful with that and don't be alarmed, because if you use any facial scrubs, it'll get rid of that, no problem. So I usually leave this on 15-20 minutes. Just depending on how long my skin can handle it. If you do notice that you can't stand the smell too long or whatever it is, just start off small. Start for like 5 minutes like I said. And I've actually, when I first started doing this, I was doing it about 2 to 3 times a week, and I was only doing this mask, and I pushed away my other masks for a little bit just because I really wanted to see how long it was going to take to work. And I think within 2 weeks, I really noticed a difference with my bumps on my forehead going down completely. So I'm not having any issues with that right now, but I figured since I already made the mask, I didn't want it to go to waste, because turmeric and everything else in here, the benefits are really good for your skin. And I do have a couple of little breakouts on my cheeks, so hopefully that will help get rid of that. But yeah, I just wanted to make it for you guys, and I'll show you what it looks like on.